Well, it shows you what the common is and what the actual is.
Where?
On the sticker. You see? So the common is, like the common is 1 by 10 by 8. It's actually, 0.75 by 9.25. I don't know, let me hit you with it.
Move. Okay.
So this is not even true.
And look here, y'all. This is a what they call a prime lumber. It's a 1 by 10 by 8 foot. It's $34, not counting tax. So that's times tax. You look at it, $40 for that board right there. Guess how much my board is? I cut some just like that or better. Guess how much my board is? $10, I think.
That was the 1 by 12.
That was the 1 by 12. Mine's cheaper. That's cheaper than that. Then they want $40 for the same board. And people frown when I tell them the prices that I want the money. This is a 1 by 6.
Oh yeah, because the guy asked me, did he ask me for 1 by 10s? And I told him that it was like $10 or a little more than $10.
Look here.
Excuse gauge.
This is a 1 by 6. No, that's 6 foot. That's 6 foot. That's 8 foot. 1 by 6 by 8 foot right here is $20. Was $24. I sell mine for about $6, $4 maybe. Don't want to pay for my stuff. That's what you're paying for here.
You scared?
No, I'm not scared. And that's a 1 by 12. 1 by 12, 8 foot. 1 by 12, 8 foot. $50. So there you go. True price 101. But anyway, everybody, you got a problem over there. But anyway, 6 by 8.
What was that person who contacted me earlier wanted? Oh, he wanted a 1 by 4.
8 foot?
Yeah.
It's $10.
And I forgot how much I told him. No, I can't think. I have to put our prices on there.
And that's not very pretty cedar. Oh, you want the fries?
No, he don't want the fries.
What you want? You want back in there? 1 by 8 cedar boards are $27.
I know the 1 by 6 by 8 was $10.
Yeah.
So that would be this.
They're over $18. Hey, you got my tape.
I guess it would be this board.
Yeah. And that's just ugly. That's just ugly, y'all. Y'all look at my cedar next time y'all see me cut, see if my shit looks like that. That's a rip-off. None of the cedar very pretty. None of it. And they're sky high, and people don't want to pay what I ask them. This right here is a 1 by 8 by 8. $27.
I think ours is $13.33 maybe.
Yeah, ours is 13. They want $27. That's not counting tax, and that's knotted. Y'all can see the knot. That one guy said these cedars are not. They ain't got no knots. That's knotty. Like I told him, if you find me a cedar tree that don't have knots, let me know. They're 1 by 12, 8 foot long is $60. You break the tape and you hit you. $60. How much is ours? Like 25?
Maybe.
Maybe not that much. But yeah, that's the prices that load what people would rather pay from a big box store company. And let me show you this. Let me see my tape for a minute, son. I gotta measure something. I gotta measure this stick.
Here, help Daddy measure.
Come here, help me measure. I'll give it right back to you. I'll give it right back. Hang on. Hang on. That's three quarter, as y'all can see. That's 3/4 at that, y'all. 3/4, they say 1 inch, but it's not. Supposed to be rough cut too. That's not even 1 inch rough cut. So they can tell that all they want, but it's not a true 1 inch rough cut. Rough cut's for it's plain, so it's supposed to be a true 1 inch. But anyway, that's another story.
You can't be mad when you're at Lowe's. You gonna roll?
This is some of the wood that would be delivered to you from Lowe's. Look at that. If you want to build a bow and arrow, that would work. Not so much for others. Right here. All this is bow. Look at this. Look, it's wavy. Bow. That's and that's what gets me. When people ask me my price, I'm really on my pine. I'm as good as Lowe's, if not better. Cheaper, and mine's 1 inch thick. Well, this is not.
Well, considering that people are looking at the price of this bulk lumber you can find it here, and what we actually have is the premium lumber that we showed in the video earlier.
Yeah.
So it's not even the same bulk lumber. Like, they're looking at the bulk lumber prices, but our lumber quality is what's over there in the premium.
Yeah. People really need to come out and look at this stuff. And when I tell them my prices and they see my lumber, then they probably...
Yeah, he's just not happy.
This is cedar. I don't know what that is.
You sure it's cedar?
I'm
Oh, they're fence pickets.
fence pickets, but I think it's cedar. Looks like. That's probably 1/2 inch, maybe. No, not quite. Yeah, it's about 9/16, 5/8, something like that. I think this is cedar. Red dog here. I don't know. It looks like cedar. I think most cedar don't look like much either. I'm not knocking it. I'm just telling the truth. And look at this. See here? This is what y'all get. I wouldn't sell somebody that. I wouldn't sell it to them. I'd give that to them. A few extra boards just in case one of mine looks like that. But then the grain, this is really fast growing wood. Have you seen the stack of wood? Something wrong with it?
Oh, I haven't even really been paying attention.
See the bow messed up. But this is what contractors buy and build these folks' houses, and you don't even see it because it's got walls up on it. Look at all that see like that number 12 bows on the end.
Look at the wall. Look at the wall.
That's treated wood and something pulled before
The
it's treated.
wall.
Look how they're bowed up on the ends. And you gotta work with that, you know, you pay for that, you gotta work with that. Get it bowed back up. That's treated lumber. That's their high dollar lumber. Number 2 grade. Back when I was a young man, what none of this was number 2. Most mills would have put this in a pile of 3 or 4 grade.